Good morning. Alan Nuckman from Option Shop here with your morning market stir for Monday, February 4th. We saw the stock market continue higher on Friday, good reaction to the unemployment data, and continuation of this strong overall uptrend. The E-mini S&P yesterday added 15 points to 1507, some new relative highs there once again. Dow futures added 148 to 13,930, and the Nasdaq 2757 up 34 on the day on Friday. So you want to think about this. We've had a 6% rally just since January 1st, essentially a straight up move in equities. Other assets also benefited. We saw the euro currency up 185 points last week, closed Friday at 136.65. The dollar index finished at 79.13, but it did venture below that key support at 79 with the low at 78.91. Bond futures were also lower with a wide range on Friday, a high of 144.5, but closed down at the 142 and change level, down 20 ticks. The yield on the 30-year Treasury now is at 3.25%. Crude oil was relatively unchanged at 97.77, up 10 cents. Gold did finish positive, up $7 and up $13 for the week. Silver closed at $31.96, right at that $32 threshold. It was up 60 cents on Friday. So after assets continued on their march higher on Friday, where do things stand on this Monday morning to begin a new trading week? Well, the stock indexes are off a little bit right now. We're down 4 at 1502.5. The Dow futures right now are down 34, and the Nasdaq futures are off 6 after getting to the upper edge of that 2,700 to 2,760 trading range that we've seen in the Nasdaq for the last month and a half. So we're seeing a little bit of profit taking there. It's also spilling over into the currency market as well. We've got the euro currency down 100 points right now at 136.50 as we're seeing a bounce after new relative lows in the dollar index, seeing a little bit of a profit taking bounce in the dollar as well. Looking at the bond market, we're off 12 ticks right now to 142.5 as that trend continues to go lower as stocks go higher on a sign of stability. Looking at the crude market, crude's off $1 right now, but it did gain $2 on the week to continue this overall upward push. It stalled out at this $97 level, and then we've got that big resistance at 100 psychologically up above that. Gold right now is down $6 at 1664 with that solid pivot support base on a weekly level at 1660 is something that we need to watch. So to wrap up the current action, right now the stock indexes are off 4 at 1502.5 right now in the E-mini S&P, and the Dow futures are down 34 with an hour and a half to go before the stock market open. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. I'm Alan Nuckman from Option Shop here at the CME Group. It all comes back to commodities.